Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can embed your MailerLite form into your WordPress. So once you have signed up with MailerLite and added the plugin onto your WordPress, you will see here the settings and sign up forms. So let's go to settings and just make sure that you have enabled the sign up forms and the pop-up ones. So as you can see, MailerLite pop-ups, it is enabled, and also double opt-in also enabled. You can also enable allow non-admin users to manage custom forms, but I'm not going to do that. Now you want to go back to MailerLite sign-up forms, and here what you want to do is create a new sign-up form. So you can add new or click right there. I'm just going to click add new. And now you can go ahead and choose custom or embedded forms created in MailerLite. So if you already created a form in the MailerLite, then you're going to choose this one. Now I haven't created any in MailerLite, so I need to go ahead and add some sign up forms in my MailerLite right there. And now you can create form with the embedded one. And this is the form I have created in MailerLite, and you just can save the form down just like so. Now you can also create a custom sign up form. So let's go again here and add new. And from here you can create a custom sign up form, create a form. And you can actually, I'm just going to leave it like so, choose the interest groups, create a form. And you can create it here on WordPress, and you don't need to go here on MailerLite. So you just basically write down the title, description, success message, button title, and some other things. And you're just gonna save the form. Now let's go again to the sign up forms. And now you will see two of them. Now, to add them to your WordPress page or post. So for example, let's go to my posts and let's for example go ahead and add it here. I'm just gonna add it not with Elementor but with WordPress for now. And let's back to WordPress editor. And now, for example, I want to add it somewhere. So let's maybe enter it and choose a block. Then you're gonna click plus sign, browse all, and then let's try to find MailerLite sign up forms. Here it is. And now we need to wait a little bit. And now you're going to choose a new embedded sign up form or a custom one you just created. Then select it, and it will be embedded in your WordPress. You're just going to save it, and here it is. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.